Hi friend, today I am show how to create a dress mockup in Photoshop. At first, select the black area. So first you go select and then click subject. Click Ctrl J. After I click right button and convert to a smart object. Then I go filter, go blur, click cushion blur, click OK. Then I set the address. So go file, save as, choose desktop and file name, I input dress, then save. OK. Then I remove a smart filter. After place design of pattern, go file and place embed. Here is my pattern. Then place, adjust, then OK. Then I click Control, mouse click, then automatic marks the area. Go filter and distort display and only then click OK and I choose my dress, then open. After I change my layout, pattern style, color and I choose brightness contrast. I increase the brightness and contrast. Thanks for watching my video.